Friends, something extraordinary has just happened. A moment that will be etched in the annals of history. NASA made an announcement that sent shockwaves around the globe. The excitement is palpable, and the implications are staggering. Scientists are buzzing, and dreamers are dreaming bigger. The air is thick with anticipation and the promise of a new frontier. The date, May 26, 2025, might be remembered for a very long time. It could become a landmark in human history. They unveiled a light-speed engine, a technological marvel that has the potential to change everything we know about space travel. Yes, you heard that right. A light-speed engine, something that was once the stuff of science fiction, is now a reality. An engine theoretically capable of propelling spacecraft at the speed of light. This could revolutionize our approach to exploring the cosmos. This isn't just about faster rockets. It's about breaking the barriers that have confined us to our solar system. This is about rewriting the rules of space travel. It's about opening up the universe in ways we never thought possible. Imagine for a moment what this truly means. The vast expanse of space, once so daunting, now seems a little more within our grasp. Journeys that would take lifetimes could be shortened dramatically. The dream of interstellar travel is no longer a distant fantasy. The stars are suddenly within reach. The mysteries of the universe are now closer to being unraveled. This NASA announcement carries that same weight as the Wright brothers' first flight or the Apollo missions. It's a leap forward for humanity. It's a testament to human ingenuity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our unyielding spirit of exploration. The universe just got a whole lot more interesting. The possibilities are endless, and the future is brighter than ever. We stand on the precipice of a new era of interstellar travel, an era where the stars are not just points of light in the sky, but destinations waiting to be explored. Let's talk about light speed, the concept that has fascinated scientists, writers, and dreamers for generations. It's fast, incredibly fast. So fast, in fact, that it almost defies comprehension. Light travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second. To put that in perspective, it means light can circle the Earth more than 7 times in just 1 second. For a long time, we've considered this the ultimate speed limit in the universe, a boundary that nothing could cross. Albert Einstein told us so. His theory of relativity set the stage for our understanding of the cosmos. According to Einstein, nothing with mass can reach the speed of light, because its mass would become infinite. The energy required would be astronomical, but what if there's a way around it? What if we could find a loophole in the cosmic speed limit? The new NASA engine might not break the law, but cleverly sidestep it. This revolutionary concept could change everything we know about space travel. This isn't your granddad's chemical rocket. We're talking about a leap in technology that could redefine our place in the universe. It's likely something that manipulates the very fabric of space-time itself. Imagine bending the rules of physics to our advantage. NASA officials spoke of novel physics and breakthroughs in energy manipulation. These advancements could pave the way for unprecedented exploration. The engine might not make a ship move through space at light speed in the traditional sense. Instead, it could operate on principles that are far more exotic. Instead, it might move space around the ship. This concept, known as a warp drive, could theoretically allow for faster-than-light travel without violating the laws of physics. Imagine traveling to Proxima Centauri, our nearest star system, a journey that currently seems impossible within a human lifetime. With current technology, it would take tens of thousands of years to get there. Such a journey is beyond our reach with today's propulsion systems. With a light-speed engine, that journey could potentially be reduced to just a few years. This would open up the cosmos in ways we've only dreamed of. The implications are staggering. We could explore new worlds, seek out new life, and expand our understanding of the universe. The future of space travel is closer than we think. NASA's latest unveiling might just be the key to unlocking the stars. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the final frontier. The journey has only just begun. Albert Einstein's theories of relativity are the bedrock of modern physics. These theories have fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe. They describe gravity and the relationship between space and time, providing a framework for how we perceive the cosmos. And yes, they tell us about the speed of light, which is the ultimate speed limit in the universe. For anything with mass, reaching it seems impossible. The energy required to accelerate an object to light speed is infinite. So how can NASA even talk about a light-speed engine? Are they venturing into the realm of science fiction? Are they saying Einstein was wrong? Not necessarily. Einstein's theories have stood the test of time. Science is always about building on what came before. Each new discovery adds a piece to the puzzle. The key might be in not trying to accelerate an object through space past light speed. Instead, we might need to think outside the box. Instead, the theories explore ways to move space-time itself. This could potentially allow for faster-than-light travel. Think of an ant on a long rubber band. The ant can only crawl so fast, limited by its own speed. The ant can only crawl so fast. No matter how much effort it puts in, its speed is capped. But if you stretch the rubber band behind the ant and compress it in front, the ant can cover more ground quickly. The ant can arrive at its destination much faster. This analogy helps us understand the concept of manipulating space-time. This is the kind of thinking that underpins concepts like the Alcubierre drive. Named after physicist Miguel Alcubierre, this theoretical propulsion system could revolutionize space travel. The Alcubierre drive involves expanding space-time behind a spacecraft and contracting it in front. This creates a warp bubble. The spacecraft itself would rest in a warp bubble. This bubble would move through space-time, carrying the spacecraft with it. Inside this bubble, it would feel no acceleration. The crew would experience a smooth journey, unaffected by the extreme speeds. It would, in effect, be surfing on a wave of space-time. This method bypasses the need to break the light-speed barrier directly. The universe operates on laws, but our understanding of those laws is always evolving. As we push the boundaries of science, who knows what new possibilities we might uncover? An announcement is one thing, a working prototype is another, and a full-scale, reliable Starship engine, that's a journey of 1,000 cosmic miles. The challenges are astronomical. First, there's the energy. Manipulating space-time would likely require colossal amounts of energy. Where will this energy come from? How will it be generated, stored, and controlled safely aboard a spacecraft? Then there's the matter of materials. What kind of materials can withstand the stresses involved in generating such effects? Navigation and control are also huge concerns. When you're potentially traversing interstellar distances, how do you steer? How do you avoid obstacles? Furthermore, how do you protect the crew? From radiation, from gravitational distortions, from the unknown effects of traveling within a warp bubble. The path is daunting, but not impossible. If NASA succeeds, if this light-speed engine becomes a reality, what then? The first, most obvious impact is on our solar system. Journeys to Mars that currently take many months could be reduced to days or even hours. Imagine, astronauts could commute. Probes could explore the outer planets with unprecedented speed and frequency. Our cosmic backyard would truly open up, but the real prize lies beyond our solar system. It lies with the stars. Alpha Centauri is just over 4 light-years away. With a light-speed engine, human crews could potentially make that journey. Think of the exoplanets we've discovered, thousands of them. With this technology, we could send probes, and eventually, perhaps, ourselves. This capability would transform humanity into a truly interstellar species. The universe is the ultimate laboratory, and a light-speed engine would give us the keys to that laboratory. This NASA announcement, this dream of a light-speed engine, does more than just promise faster travel. It changes our perspective. It redefines our place in the cosmos. For all of human history, we have been bound to this one small planet, looking up at the stars with wonder, but also with a sense of profound separation. This technology, if realized, shatters that barrier. It tells us that we are not prisoners of our solar system. We are citizens of a much larger galactic neighborhood. The galaxy, our Milky Way, is vast. With a light-speed engine, the galaxy becomes explorable. Not all at once, perhaps, but star by star, system by system. We could begin to map it, to understand its structure. The sense of confinement lifts, replaced by a sense of boundless opportunity. The stars are calling and we must go.